two companies came together and poured all their resources into the creation of this beauty. What started as a smaller piece of land soon turned into a bigger site after the addition of a neighboring property. Two became one. And the two pieces put together as one was the initial format for this painting. The base colors were taken from nature: greens, blues, and browns. Now the base colors are down and it's time for the layering. I loved how the distribution of the buildings formed a fist. This fist that represents presence and strength was not enforced. Quite the opposite. It was an example of the quest for harmony. Harmony with the neighboring houses, roadways, the environment, laws, social interactions, sustainability, everything. Respectful and considerate. The layers of this painting, the elements that have been built and are still to be built, also include those who will benefit from all the considerations prior and during the construction phase: the people. Those who will add the fourth dimension to these buildings: time. The going back and forth through the spaces, inside and outside. Spaces carefully crafted for living.